Alright guys, so I accidentally hit the stop recording button. But anyway, I didn't show you guys the start up my engine either. God damn it. That's okay. It does squeal really bad. Sometimes my belt's all messed up. Has a crack in it. But here's my new engine. My antifreeze was leaking out of it, so I have to go and take it back this weekend and get that fixed. They're gonna fix it for free since I put the engine in. And I'm actually gonna eventually get a clutch for this, probably next summer. But right now I'm gonna kind of focus on all this shit. This is all cracked and broken. Check engine light's still on, all that. You know, nothing's really changed. I had to buy a new thermostat for it, and the sealant didn't hold up on that, so it's leaking out of there. We'll reseal that. But you know, it runs nice. I found a couple exhaust leaks. I'm probably going to get the exhaust replaced probably here in the next couple months. I'm going to go with a Megan header system, and then we'll go from there. I'm actually going to put dual exhaust on this with my body kit, because my body kit has 2 slots for it. But what else did I say while I was talking to myself and not actually have it recording? It squeaks really bad sometimes. It's my belt. Maybe my water pump too. I have to get that fixed. That'll come eventually. I'm gonna buy a stage 6 supercharger for this thing. That'll cost me about $750. I'm gonna get a manual transaxle for it. I wish I could find a Mitsubishi GSX around here. I would just trade in this and my Nissan, put a down payment on that. You know, because that's an all-wheel drive. That'd be sweet. I'd rather have an all-wheel drive turbo than Eclipse RS with automatic, so then I wouldn't have to switch it out for a clutch and all that. But you know, it's a project car. You have to make it yours, and you have to make it awesome. And you know, if you work hard enough, you can do both. I've decided I'm gonna put power door locks and power windows and all that in this. I have a donor car for it, which I got the engine out of, and I'm gonna get power mirrors and all that. I've talked to the guy about that, see how much it's going to cost me. And then I'll have some doors that are a different color than the car, but that's okay, because this car is not going to be orange. I actually decided that this car is going to be white and black. I think that's a lot better anyway. But you know, I'm just kind of talking your guys' ear off here. I think you guys need to comment and all that stuff and let me know kind of what a good idea for this car would be. I'm actually going to put a carbon fiber hood on this car. And I might update the spoiler. I don't know, I kind of like it. But definitely side skirts and front bumper and rear bumper definitely have to be updated. I'm gonna put LED lights underneath of it, the system of course. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I guess this is an update for my 96 Mitsubishi Eclipse RS. And I guess keep watching all my videos, guys, because you know, eventually you're gonna see me finish this, and it'll be a pretty sweet car. But thanks guys. Just see you later, I guess.